Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm back with a good skincare and makeup haul, and it's turned super gloomy outside. It's raining. I'm also facing power cut issues right now, so kind of deal with this situation. I hope this lighting is fine for you all. Let's get started. I have all of these products to share with you all today. I'm super excited for this one, so let's get started. Okay, so let's start with what's new in the market, and the very first one is this mascara from L'Oreal. Now, if you've seen my videos, you know I love the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara for my lashes and for giving me that waterproof boost of volume and make my non-existent lashes existent. Literally, I love and swear by that mascara. And I saw them recently launch another new viral and raved about mascara, which is their Panorama mascara, and I had to give it a try. Super intrigued to see whether or not it actually works and lives up to the hype. So let me know if you've tried it. I'll be trying it out in a dedicated video or a shorts. I'll see. So let's see. This one is priced at MRP 999, but right now it is available at a discounted price, so you can definitely check that one out. Post that, as promised, I did a YouTube shorts with the Lumi Matte Foundation, which is another new launch from Maybelline, and there I used the shade 310, which was slight at bit light undertone wise as well. So I thought of trying out the deepest shade that they've launched in India, which is 330, and there you go. Firstly, I love the packaging and everything. I love the shade 330 this time, so let me know if you all want to see like a dedicated comparison between 310 and 330. So I'll be swatching and reviewing both of the shades. That's the shade 330. That's how it is swatching on my face as well. Seems currently good, but I really hope it does not oxidize, or else it might turn orange and I would not like that. Anyways, so that is the shade 330 in the Lumi Matte Foundation. This also has SPF of 16 and has a very lightweight, thin consistency. I'm usually like a 312 in the Maybelline Superstay range, so 330 I'm just doubtful of the oxidation. If it does not oxidize, seems like a good match, honestly. So yes, that was the shade 330. Now this too I got off a 20% discount, though it's a new launch, pretty new launch of Amazon. So I purchased it for 639 rupees at a 20% discount. So I would have all of the links mentioned in the description box. You can check it out for discounts. And post that, I got my favorite and my current obsession, which is the juicy lip tints from ROM. And like, just from the day you guys have put me on to this bandwagon of ROM and lip tints, I'm just constantly using them only, like, period. I love them so damn much. Like, I've never enjoyed any transferring kind of lip gloss kind of stuff on me, but I don't know how. I love them. They are just so good. They have this, you know, balmy consistency, which I feel makes them stand out, because though ये थोड़ा सा ऐसा balmy texture है ना, it does not like transfer a lot. It does transfer, yes, but it still stays put, and neither it is like very heavy on the lips that you will be like, what do I have, like chipchipa wala feeling. वैसा भी नहीं है बिल्कुल. Just love the texture, the finish, and everything about them. This time I picked like a bright popping color under the name Lychee. What? It is Lychee Coral, and it's a beautiful shade, honestly. Like, these kind of shades make you look younger, and you look like, you know, young and fresh. So I don't think this shade is gonna suit my top, but anyways, I know you're not supposed to mum your lips or purse your lips, because then the shine just kinda lessens. but I still really love this. It's such a pretty color. I already own other shades like Almond Rose and Berry Pink and all of them from their range, and I really like them, and I've tried it in one of a dedicated video as well, wherein I've swatched Rom and lip tints, so you can watch that video. I would leave it in the iCard above, so check that out. This one is priced at 712 rupees of Amazon, and there are many other shades available. Dark coconut was something that you guys recommended, but it was out of stock that time. Right now it is in stock. Anyways, yes, so yeah, do definitely try it. I'm sure you're gonna love these tints. Okay, suppose that are some of the skincare that I kind of repurchased, and these are like my holy grails, literally. The very first one has to be a niacinamide serum, and that too from The Minimalist. So I picked another backup. कह लो या वो खत्म हो गया, इसलिए I picked this one up. I love this serum so damn much. Like niacinamide from Minimalist, वो भी 10% वाला, nothing like it. This serum is just pure magic. If you're new into the skincare game, active game, and if you're dealing with uneven skin tone or just like a beginner, just try out niacinamide serum and you would experience magic for real, because this would even out your skin tone. It also helps with dark spots को fade करने में. And I don't know, सब mangoes निकले हैं मुझे, या it is because I am almost due for my periods, but चार pimples, and यहाँ पर तो एक बड़ा वाला pimple आया है. So these serums really help, because ये वो pigmentation को ही block कर देते हैं. Those pimples leave a lot of pigmentation, and that PIH is a task to deal with. So you should always incorporate a niacinamide serum or salicylic acid in your skincare if you're dealing with acne. So definitely try it. This is my favorite, like literally, and I got it for like a discounted price, I'll tell you. Yes, तो ये मुझे पड़ा 568 rupees में at a discount of 5% of Amazon. So 568 rupees में I purchased the niacinamide serum. So morning routine में use a niacinamide serum, फिर moisturizer लगा लो, sunscreen लगा लो. Night time में ना use your salicylic acid serum, which is a great active to add in your skincare. Salicylic acid serum in your nighttime routine, that is during PM routine, and this will help you fight those breakouts and जल्दी उसका साइकिल खत्म करने में हेल्प करेगा. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स टू रिड्यूस ऑयलीनेस. लाइक अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली स्किन का इशू है, और इफ यू इवन हैव लाइक sebum production a lot, then it helps to even control sebum production, and oily skin के लिए भी it's perfect. So salicylic acid is another great one to add. All of these serums are extremely lightweight, and I constantly keep on repurchasing these serums from The Minimalist, like niacinamide serum, salicylic acid serum, and alpha arbutin serum. These three serums from Minimalist are my cult favorites. And then Ordinary का under eye serum I use a lot. And उसके बाद में face के लिए hyaluronic acid के लिए I really like the L'Oreal Paris one, because it's fragrance free and वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, and it just makes my skin so plumpy. And really like that. मैं already 2 bottles ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ उसकी. So like these serums are just something, like literally they are just magic, and you would love it. ये salicylic acid वाला भी I purchased off Amazon, and ये भी 5% discount पे 521 rupees में मुझे मिला. I would have all of their links mentioned in the description box. Definitely check it out. उसके बाद I repurchased this cream from Conscious Chemist. I don't know if oops, मैंने ये स्क्वाट कर दिया बाहर. Okay, ये कुछ इस तरीके से ऐसे कलर का आता है ये क्रीम. डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी इट अगेंस्ट द लाइट, बट मैं देख पा रही हूँ ये पूरा खत्म हो चुका है ट्यूब. बस यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट रह गया है अगेंस्ट द लाइट. आपको नहीं दिखेगा, मुझे दिख रहा है अगेंस्ट द लाइट. सो दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट डन, एंड मैंने इसका बैकअप मंगवाया है. इट इज द True Biome Pigmentation Correction Cream which helps to reduce pigmentation. अगर आपने मेरे पहले वाले Amazon haul videos देखे हैं, you might have noticed, तब मैंने बोला था I'll be testing it out and letting you know if it actually works. And oh my god, like दूसरे तीसरे बार के use में ही I started seeing a fade in the hyperpigmentation on my skin, and I was like, what? Like literally this stuff is so good, and I think it is because of the superhero, which is azelaic acid, tranexamic acid, kojic acid, and niacinamide added in the formula. This is just so perfect. I'm using it on my elbows, knees, and on my inner thighs. Like I have hyperpigmentation over there, and knees पे मुझे ज़्यादा है at some patches because मेरा accident हो गया था, and बचपन में ये हुआ था, एंड तब बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे घुटनों का wear and tear हुआ था, and I've developed a lot of hyperpigmentation. Like already dark knees तो थे ही, उसके ऊपर there is also hyperpigmentation because of that accident. जो scar रह गया उसके ऊपर का skin is too much dark. So I was like कोई problem नहीं है, इतने सालों से I'm dealing with it, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but I was like why not try it, and it's actually like kind of fading it. अभी वो पहले से काफ़ी ज़्यादा फ़र्क है. लीव द पिक्चर्स पहले का नीज एंड अभी के नीज. I'm really impressed. And if you get this product and if you see a color change, like उन्होंने जो फोटो दिया है, it has like a bright pink color of the formula, and अभी आपने जो देखा वो yellow color हो गया है. So मैंने उनके Instagram पे भी I reached out to them and they told me that you need not worry about it because the formula is stable, and they also mentioned why there's a color change. See, they said that it contains beta carotene, and because of the interaction between tranexamic acid and the amine group in the formulation, that is what is leading to the color change. It has nothing to do with the product and does not affect its efficacy. So the ingredients are what are doing this gudbad inside. But anyways, efficacy of the product matters the most, and usko kuch nahi ho raha. This is still working, yellow color maybe. Like I know it. So I purchased this one. Definitely guys, try it out. अगर आपको hyperpigmentation का issue है, then just try this and you would love it. आप इसे stubborn dark spots पर लगा सकते हो, hyperpigmentation पे लगा सकते हो, lesions पे लगा सकते हो, scars पे लगा सकते हो, and it would help to fade that hyperpigmentation up for you. It is fragrance free and MRP 599 है, while I'll tell you. So ये 50 grams की tube है, and this one I purchased for 413 rupees of Amazon discount पर मिल रहा था. So definitely check this one up. They've also mentioned that why True Biome is no longer pink. उन्होंने change कर दिया है and अब ये white आएगा cream. Okay, पहले उन्होंने ये ब्राइट कलर लाने के लिए ना देव एडेड बीटा कैरोटीन, बट आई थिंक उसके कारण वो प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था, इसलिए दे रिमूव्ड इट एंड नाउ इट कम्स विद अ क्रीमी वाइट टेक्सचर. तो कलर का कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, अब कुछ इस तरीके से वाइट में आएगा. सो आई थिंक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. सो दैट वाज द क्रीम आई ट्रूली लव. यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई. उसी के बाद आई थॉट ऑफ ट्राइंग आउट अ न्यू लॉन्च फ्रॉम कॉन्शियस केमिस्ट व्हिच इज देयर सनस्क्रीन, एंड इट्स नोन एज Peach the Sun Hybrid Gel Sunscreen. And sunscreens के लिए I'm always up to try. इसमें UVA UVB दोनों filters है, plus it is non greasy and vitamin C extracts भी है. Just that is the kind of texture. oh बहुत अच्छे से blend हो गया, right? It's all blended. लगा ही नहीं सनस्क्रीन ब्लेंड किया है. ओके, आई रियली लाइक द टेक्सचर ऑफ दिस वन. बहुत लाइट वेट है एंड डेफिनेटली विटामिन सी है, राइस वाटर है, SPF 50 ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम सनस्क्रीन, एंड 343 रुपीज में यू आर गेटिंग इट राइट नाउ. ग्रेट डिस्काउंट running on them. So definitely you should try this one out. It is a fragrance. Oh, it is fragranced. Okay, it is a fragrance-free sunscreen. They've stated it, and I'm really happy about it. But यहाँ पे तो mention किया है fragrance. Like what's up, conscious chemist? यहाँ पे फ्रेग्रेंस मेंशन किया है, यहाँ पे you've stated that it's fragrance free. I cannot really sense. I think एकदम 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 माइल्ड वाला मुझे कुछ स्निफ कर पा रही हूँ मैं fragrance, so I think it is fragrance, but I don't know why they've mentioned it as fragrance free here. Anyway, so that was that. उसके बाद another sunscreen which I was wowed by was this one. So I thought I just stated it is Dr. Shet's Ceramide and Vitamin C sunscreen, and bro, this came out of the blue because मुझे ये मेरे PR में मिला था and I was like ठीक है होगा कुछ, but when I tried it I loved the texture honestly of this one, and I'll also say कि इसी का एक बॉटल ट्यूब स्टाइल में पंप वाला भी आता है, वो भी मेरे पास है, बट उसका आई डोंट नो, उसको व्हेन आई ब्लेंड इट ना ये वाला मज़ा नहीं है जो ये ट्यूब में है ना मज़ा. सो आई वुड रिकमेंड बाइंग द ट्यूब एंड नॉट द पंप. वो मुझे अलग ही लग रहा था, जबकि नाम गाँव पता सब कुछ सेम है उस पर भी. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट this one contains ceramide complex, hyaluronic acid and SPF 50 PA triple plus protection. This sunscreen is also very easy to blend. रोज यूज कर रही हूँ ना, ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो गया. अभी दिखाने के लिए अभी कुछ है क्या भाई साहब अंदर बच्चा, अगर हो तो निकाल के बताओ. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. It gives like a nice dewy finish on the skin. Doesn't feel very oily, greasy, and that is the thing I like about this sunscreen. So you can definitely try this one out. This is again unscented, and that is the reason why I really like it. कुछ 423 rupees में you can grab it. So definitely check it out. 15% discount पर मिल रहा है, plus additional 5% coupon भी है, तो 423 rupees में आपको ये पड़ेगा. हाँ, मैं ये कह रही थी एग्जैक्टली सेम सनस्क्रीन का ना विटामिन सी एंड सेरामाइड वाला ही ऐसा पंप वाला पैकेजिंग है. दिस सीम्स वेरी डिफरेंट इन कंसिस्टेंसी, थोड़ा थिक है ये, इतना फर्क लगता है मुझे ब्लेंड करते वक्त, बाकी पूरा सेम है. सो आई वुड recommend the tube one. Okay, उसके बाद another repurchase is from Put Simply. It is their water dam moisturizer. This is for my brother, as I told in my previous video that मैंने उसे skincare routine पे लगाया था, and this is so good. Water dam from Put Simply, a very nice moisturizer from them. It is just so good. That is the consistency. It just blends like a true gel onto your skin, and as well as it moisturizes very very well without giving that sticky tacky or tight feeling on the skin. And I really like this. It's fragrance free, again alcohol free hai, fragrance free hai, vegan cruelty free. It also contains a cica extract which is healing and strengthening. Panthenol है जो moisturize करेगा, soothe करेगा, niacinamide to regulate sebum production and even skin tone देने के लिए. The formula is actually very very good. This hydrating gel moisturizer is priced at 929 rupees right now off Amazon, so you can definitely check it out. I really like the formula and everything of this. It's a perfect oil free, fragrance free moisturizer, and perfect for summertime and even for the humid rainy weather right now. जो ये मौसम होता है ना, उसमें चिपचिपा and very moisturizing kind of greasy moisturizers your skin won't be able to take, but your skin would love these kind of gel creams, and so you should definitely try this one out. And then I purchased this for I don't know कितने हज़ारवें दफ़ा मैंने ये फेस वॉश खरीदा है फिर से, बिकॉज आई रियली लव दिस. इट इज़ द रिफ्रेशिंग फेशियल वॉश फ्रॉम सिंपल. आई बीन ऑन टू दिस फेस वॉश आई थिंक फ्रॉम एजेस. लगता है पिछले जन्म में भी मैं ये यूज़ किया करती थी. इट इज़ एक्चुअली सो गुड, सो गुड. एकदम बेसिक फॉर्मुलेशन है, डज नॉट स्ट्रिप natural oils off of your skin, and it is not even very drying on the skin, and that is the reason why I love it. It is non-active based facial wash because मेरे बाकी के routine में बहुत actives होते हैं, so I prefer my face wash to be very gentle yet effective. 282 rupees में 150 ml वाला pack I purchased. So इसमें अलग अलग size variants available है. You can pick whichever you want, जितने सारे लेने एक साथ ले लो. यूजुअली आई ऑर्डर अ पैक ऑफ 2, बट अब जगह नहीं हो रही मेरे पास रखने के लिए, इसलिए मैंने सिंगल ही ऑर्डर किया. 282 रुपीज़ सिंपल फेस वॉश. just pure love. उसके बाद the last product, no, उसके बाद the second last product in today's haul is this salicylic acid body wash from Chemist at Play. Body lotions I've shown so many times in my Amazon live and they are really good. So I thought why not to try it. So back acne का problem है ही मुझे, so I thought let's try a salicylic acid body wash. And as you know, the rainy season is approaching, you kind of get that yeast cell growth on your shoulders, and that has to keep your body away from all of those fungal infections. You need a good exfoliating product, and so I thought of trying this out. But खोला भी नहीं है, I can sniff a lot of heavy fragrance, like बहुत ज़्यादा खुशबू आ रही है मुझे. So वो एक चीज़ तो definitely है, but it contains 1% salicylic acid, which is a gentle exfoliator, and it also contains pentavitin, which is a hydrating booster. So let's see how it actually works. I'm gonna try it and let you all know if it really works or not. अच्छे प्राइस में मिल गया. इतना बड़ा जो बॉटल है 236 ml का इस प्राइस एट 399 प्लस मुझे ये डिस्काउंट पे मिला है. डेफिनेटली मैं MRP पे तो लेती नहीं हूँ चीज़ें. सो ये पड़ा 299 रुपीज़ में, 100 रुपये डिस्काउंट में मुझे मिला 299 में 236 ml. सो इट्स अ ग्रेट डील. सो कीपिंग माई होप्स हाई, लेट्स सी. एंड 3% कूपन डिस्काउंट भी अवेलेबल है, तो और ज़्यादा रिड्यूस हो जाएगा प्राइस. सो दैट वॉज दैट. एंड द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट इज अनदर न्यू लॉन्च फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ डॉट एंड की. So I saw them launch their Cica and Niacinamide oil-free moisturizer, and इतना ज़्यादा brightness आ रहा है नहीं, and I thought of trying it out. So it is their oil-free moisturizer, and it contains ceramides, oatmeal, and it's a fragrance-free moisturizer basically for oily, acne-prone or sensitive skin. They say it's perfect for acne-prone skin, for dealing with dark spots. It is also something that is going to calm and soothe your skin down. So it is a fragrance-free moisturizer, तो मुझे तो try करना ही था. Fragrance-free है and मैं try ना, fragrance-free हो और निधि try ना करे ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता. So ये है 20% डिस्काउंट पे मिला सिर्फ 316 रुपीज़ में. So अच्छा ऑफर पे मिल गया ये 316 रुपीज़ में. इसमें सीका है जो एक्ने रिड्यूस करेगा, नाइसिनामाइड है, सेरेमाइड्स है, ओटमील है, नॉन ग्रीसी अल्ट्रा लाइट वेट वाटर जेल लाइक कंसिस्टेंसी विच वी लव. एंड समर में यही कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए ऑनेस्टली. नहीं सहन के बाहर जा रहे हैं सब ऑयली कंसिस्टेंसी वाले मॉइस्चराइजर्स. सो आई एम हैप्पी कि ये कुछ ऐसा है. बहुत ईजिली इट इज़ गोना ब्लेंड एंड गेट एब्जॉर्ब्ड इनटू your skin. Definitely fragrance free. So that was the new launch from the house of Dot & Key, and I think that's all for today's haul video. I hope you guys really liked it and enjoyed watching the haul and repurchases and some makeup purchases as well जो मैंने किए थे. You can find all of the purchase links mentioned in the description box below. Title को click कर लो, नीचे description box open हो जाएगा. And do not forget to subscribe to the Trend Diaries for more such videos. And we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Namaste and keep trending.